Hey, what you making, girl? A heart-shaped pancake?
Potatoes, breakfast
Shit.
tacos.
Breakfast tacos, huh? This the sample right here?
Huh?
This the sample?
No, this was plain because we don't outside of this shit.
The heart-shaped pancakes? Doing your thing, girl. Shit. Oh, shit. And it's back there. Shit. Oh, shit. The whipped cream on the side? You forgot to put that pussy on the plate, baby. Shit.